Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your work with Hubstaff, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your work with Hubstaff, begin by logging into your Hubstaff account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can view your projects. Select the project you wish to verify your work for. Once in the project, locate the Time tab on the left-hand side. Click on the Time tab to see the list of recorded time entries. Review the entries to ensure accuracy in the hours logged. If you need to verify specific tasks, click on the entry for more details. This will show you screenshots taken during the work period. Make sure the screenshots align with your expected deliverables. If everything looks good, proceed to the Reports tab for further insights. In the Reports section, you can generate detailed reports for better analysis. You can also export these reports to share with your team if needed. If you find any discrepancies, use the editing feature to adjust the time entries. To edit an entry, click on the pencil icon next to the logged time. Make your changes and save to ensure they are reflected in your project. Once verified, communicate with your team about your completed work. This process helps maintain transparency and accountability in your projects. Regular verification will enhance your productivity and project management. Familiarize yourself with Hubstaff's features to maximize your efficiency. Continue to track and verify your time in future projects for consistent results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.